So I just got home, you guys. I'm going to fix me some coffee. You all know my favorite mug.
Bruh.
Doesn't it look delicious? This is gonna be so yummy. So this is one of the coffees that I make in the morning. I started making hot coffee, but I was like, no, I wanted something cold. So I made this pumpkin spice iced coffee. And I have all the ingredients listed in the description bar below if you guys want to try it. Very simple, very easy. This took me not even 2 minutes to do. Bon appetit! Enjoy! Okay, you guys, so today for my breakfast, I'm going to show you guys really quickly how I make one of my protein pancakes. Well, actually, I'm going to do waffles. I'm doing waffles today. So I'm still indecisive between if I want blueberries or Aunt Jemima. I think I'm gonna go with I'll go with the Aunt Jemima. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my protein waffle, and all I use my protein, which is serious mass here. If you guys don't know, I'm in the process of bulking up or gaining some weight so that I can tone and be prepared to have the body that I dream of next summer. So in the process of bulking up, I do take serious mass, and it has 1250 calories in here, and I have the vanilla kind. Also, I have the Aunt Jemima's buttermilk pancake solution. Well, it's pancake or waffle mix. I said solution, but the mix. So I have this, and in here it says use 2 cups of milk, and you can use the egg if you want to, but instead of using milk, because I'm lactose, I can't have like dairy, I have oat milk. So this is the oat milk that I like to use. I got it not too long ago, and I actually do like it. It's very good. So I use this one, and it is dairy free, it's peanut free, it's gluten and soy free. So very good. I would recommend this if you're lactose and you can't have dairy as well. So I have that, and I also have my waffle maker. So I'm just going to show you guys how I mix this. I'm probably going to speed it up and play a little bit of music, so just vibe with me while I whip up my breakfast. Right? Let's go.
Perfect.
Alright, you guys, I am all done with my breakfast. I guess you can say brunch because technically it's almost 1 o'clock. But I made a waffle and I boiled 2 eggs. I made another coffee. Yes, I made another coffee. It's basically a pumpkin spice iced coffee with whipped cream and a little bit of caramel drizzle, and I have cinnamon on top of there as well. And whenever I eat any of my meals, I make sure to always drink a bottle of water, regardless of what I eat. If I have a bowl of cereal, I'm going to drink a bottle of water. So this is my snack or my meal for right now. So it's 12, it's almost about to be 1 o'clock actually. I gotta think about what I want for lunch. I kind of got a meal prep dinner that I'm going to eat, and I'll probably eat that. And then I gotta think about what I want for dinner. But as of right now, this is what I'm eating. And your girl did her thing. Alright, that's all that I have for you guys for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.